In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Upstream O2 sensor on this Honda Civic. If you need this or any other part for your car, check us out at oneauto.com. Let's get started. With the hood open, you'll see the Upstream O2 sensor right here with the orange wire. Press on this tab and pull the connector out to unplug the sensor. There we go. To unthread the sensor, you'll need an O2 sensor socket that fits in here. Not all of them fit, especially if you have one of these. Usually the one that fits will look like this. However, a lot of times when the O2 sensors are stuck, these sockets tend to fall off sideways and strip out the cutout. I have a shorter one that is less likely to do that, and it fits in here. A lot of times this style is too wide to fit with this washer. This one is a 1/2-inch drive, so I'm going to put my breaker bar in it and break it free. Now, these are often fairly stuck, so if that is the case for you, just take your time and work it back and forth. You don't want to damage it, because otherwise you'll be fighting the stripped cutout the whole time out. Now unthread it the rest of the way, and there it is. Take the new O2 sensor, thread it in. Once it's bottomed out, you can use that same socket to tighten it up. There we go. About a 1/4 turn after it bottoms out. There's a crush washer there, and all you want to do is squish it. Once that squishes, it creates a nice tight seal, and that's all you need. Grab the connector and plug it in. Make sure it clicks. Job is done. If you had a code, clear it. Other than that, take it for a road test, make sure everything runs right, and there you have it. Job is done. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have anything to say, leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.